Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. And in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the GoPro Shorty mini extension pull and tripod. So I got this from Amazon on sale for $19.99 from Amazon. Today we will be unboxing this thing and checking this product out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the GoPro Shorty. Here, this is a mini extension pull and tripod, as you can see here. You can see it extends from 4.5 inch to 8.9 inch. Here's the mini extension pull and tripod itself. This doesn't come with a GoPro, but this is compatible with the latest GoPros, such as 9 and 10 and 11. This has a lifetime warranty, and yeah, so that is the front side presentation. Now let's go ahead and take a look on the side of the box. So here it is. This is compatible with all Hero cameras and Max. This comes with a lifetime warranty. And now let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So here is the back side of the box. The back side of the box says that this is a portable mini extension pull and tripod for on-the-go activities. Extend Shorty from 4.6 inch up to 8.9 inch. Here you can see the centimeters conversion. This includes the mini extension pull and tripod. And here's what the illustration shows on how this accessory works on your GoPro. So mostly we're going to use this as a hold, how it holds in our hands. You'll see later in this video. But with that being said, let's go ahead and take out our X-Acto knife that we have here and go ahead and unbox this thing. So here we are. All we have to do is cut through the bottom here, and we should be able to unbox this thing. Once you open up the top part, the bottom part that is, here is how the GoPro is packaged. Nothing else inside of the box. And here's your pamphlet talking about the lifetime warranty from GoPro. Make sure you read through it and file it to the side when you want to use the lifetime warranty. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the GoPro itself. Here it only comes with this one, nothing else. And here's a closer look at the GoPro. Here's the knob it comes with. And this is a 100% plastic build, except for the metal part that you see there. And let's go ahead and see if we can extend its legs. Before we extend its legs, let's take out my GoPro Hero 10. And really love this GoPro. Many ideas, many possibilities to do with this GoPro. And this is how you would attach it to the GoPro. Attach it to its tripod. You put down its feet at the bottom. Now let's take out our tripod here. And this comes with a screw knob, which I don't like. What I don't like about this knob is that how hard it is to take out. And all you have to do is mount this onto the tripod, align it with the hole, and see if you can match the openings. So I would rather use this knob, screw knob, instead of the middle one, since it's more easier to take in and out of the accessories, such as this. So let's go ahead and screw this in. A lot better than using that small knob that comes with the tripod, which is hard to remove since it's super small. And yeah, so screw it all the way that in. Make sure you put this in a safe place. And yeah, so let's go ahead and test out the features. This is how it would look like if you mount the two together. Let's go ahead and finally extend the legs. So this is how it would look like with the legs extended. You can always adjust the height of this thing. Now let's close this back in, and this is a perfect grip for the hand, so you don't have to hold the camera itself when walking around. And here's the stick. Here's the extension of the thing. Pretty neat here. And you can always tilt the angle of the GoPro. So if you want to film yourself, you can also do that. You want to film what is in front, you have the ability to do that too. So let's go ahead and test out the grip in my hand. And let's go ahead and take this outside, see how it feels. So we are outside in Laguna Beach. This is how it would look like when holding in my hand. Now let's see if we can walk around and test the stabilization of this camera. So such a beautiful shot. Such a beautiful clear day, clear sunny day in Southern California. And there's a view of Laguna Beach using the tripod in my hand. So we are in the tide pool area. I have the tripod in my hand. Looks comfortable to grip. So basically you need the shorty to walk around. So since I'm using the shorty, this is much more comfortable to hold than using without any accessory. Really recommend this accessory. This is a must-have accessory, that is. Let's go ahead and walk around. So as you can see there's now shakiness when using this accessory. Everything seems to work well as it is intended. Hopefully you enjoyed these views of Laguna Beach. So that is the GoPro Shorty, a essential accessory for this GoPro. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this accessory. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. I'll see you on next one.